unfold. Struggle, felt the pain, witnessed the sorrow in every gaze. But through the cracks I see a hope, a rhythm started to take hold.
I am going on a bike ride.
In my childhood, yo, feeling good in the neighborhood. Sun be shining up in my childhood. Yo, feeling good in the neighborhood.
So now that we're done with our skincare, now I'm gonna go take a shower and change my clothes, and then I will see you guys after that. Hey guys, so now we have came back from the shower. I'm wearing like these green leggings with these American Express socks and a brown turtleneck, which is very comfortable since we're going outside in the cold. Now it is 11:21 and we have to be there at like 12-ish. So right now I'm gonna get ready to do my hair and my makeup.
Saw the yeah, grew up in the concrete jungle where dreams get lost in a haze. Saw the echo through the streets, a story waiting to unfold. Struggle, felt the pain.
Okay guys, so now that we're done with my hair, I know you guys are like, you did all that just to cover it up. I'm gonna eat now and I'll see you guys when I do my makeup. Hey everyone! We're back. I finished swallowing my food. So now we're gonna be doing our makeup. I already set up everything with me, and now we're just gonna talk, guys, because I'm done being serious. Because I just realized now it is, what is it? It is 12:08. And I'm not sure what time we need to be there though, because we said 12 but it's already 12. So but I promised my dad that when he comes out I'm gonna be done with my makeup. So now I've already put on my primer.
Felt the pain, witnessed the sorrow in every gaze. But through the cracks, felt the pain, witnessed the sorrow in every gaze. But through the cracks I see a hope, a rhythm started to take hold, a beat that
Hi guys, so this is what my makeup looks like. It looks pretty great. I have these earrings, and then I'm gonna wear my beige sweater on top with my little white hat. And I have this lip gloss here, and I only put on a little bit each because it looks very dark, which is like a little bit of not what I wanted, but we're gonna have to deal with it. I'm gonna finish my oranges, and now we're going to record our adventure to the biking center. Yeah. No, that was the first time we went. Yeah. The second time we didn't go with her. The second time it was that time where I accidentally drank too much water and it was really hot.
Yeah, grew up in the concrete jungle where dreams get lost in a haze. Saw the yeah, grew up in the concrete jungle where dreams to take hold. A beat that ecstasy of hope. A rhythm started.
We're doing good so far. It's just that struggling a little bit, but we're doing well. We're doing well, guys. It's not our horses. My dad is going to the bathroom, so yeah.
To take hold. A beat that ecstasy of hope. Trouble, felt the pain, witnessed the sorrow in every gaze. But through the crowd,
Alright, let's go.
felt the pain, witnessed the
The
sorrow.
2 was too heavy. I was struggling to turn it on.
Ecstasy of hope, a rhythm started to take hold. A beat that
Outside, we're going up the hill.
to the city lights.
Let's go, guys. Alright, my dad is literally all the way down this hill already, so I gotta hurry. Alright, guys. We're going so fast right now. So, basically, we have gone like a little bit almost around this whole ring. My bike is on a 2 right now, and I'm changing it to 1. There we go. My dad's right in front of me. Hold on. So yeah, we're next to like a football, soccer field, and yeah, that's what's going on. So yeah, that's what's happening with us right now. We're near like a whole bunch of trees, as you can see beside me, and I feel like I'm doing pretty good with the bike. It's crazy how I'm talking. I can raise my hand and everything. Hold on. Look at that. But yeah, that's what's happening. So let's just ride the bike. Hold on.
To the city lights. The city lights. We're shining brighter than the city lights. We're shining brighter than the city lights.
Oh, I love that song.
Uptown guy.
I'm caught.
Hey
Duckies, guys.
Alright, green light. Those two come like, yeah, girl, learn how to ride bike. I think her daddy learned how to ride bike.
Alright guys, so we have came back from our bike ride and it was really great. Now we're finding a place to eat at. We're tasting for cheeseburgers, so we're trying to find that right now. So let's go do that.
Shining up in my childhood. Yo, feeling good in the neighborhood. Shining up in my childhood. Yo, feeling good in the neighborhood.
I got your whole forehead.
Shining up in my childhood. Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna do a taste test. These so-called curly fries. We have some curly fries. And it's really good. Try some onion rings. Yeah, so obviously I forgot to end the video, but thank y'all so much for watching this amazing video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.